DevOps is an important methodology. It is used to make sure that the software development process is as efficient and as optimized as possible. Now, a lot of companies have started shifting from the traditional software development model to a DevOps oriented one. And for this purpose, they try to hire people with a lot of experience and a lot of skills. And these are your DevOps engineers. So in this video, we'll be learning about what a DevOps engineer does, who is he, what are his skills, and more. And also guys, here at Great Learning, we have come up with something called Great Learning Academy, where you can register for more than 80 plus free courses and earn a certificate after you complete these courses. And you can do this on your mobile phone also. And also guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And now let us begin this video.
A DevOps engineer is basically a person who is responsible for designing, maintaining the software development pipeline. He also makes sure that software is deployed properly without any issues. Now, he can do this by making sure that there aren't any cracks in the whole pipeline. He can do this by making sure that the communication that happens between different teams is very clear, the ideas are exchanged without any miscommunications, and that there's no office politics and people generally have a very healthy working environment. A DevOps engineer knows how to automate processes and writing automation scripts. He also knows how to keep the whole infrastructure, infrastructure which is used to deploy and maintain the software, secure and robust. So it shouldn't crash or it shouldn't break down, and it should be secure. So that's his job. A DevOps engineer has excellent communication skills that help him to convey ideas and exchange information between different teams. Now, a DevOps engineer will be interacting with a lot of different types of teams. He'll be interacting with the development team, the testing team, the IT team, the database team, or the networking team, all the different teams. He has to talk to them because he's kind of a jack of all trades person who has knowledge about a lot of certain things, maybe not exactly deeply, but he knows enough to deliver all of his deliverables. And on a daily level, a DevOps engineer is responsible for making sure scaling needs of cloud are fulfilled, optimization happens, managing of permission happens, and documentation is happening. So this is a DevOps engineer. These are his responsibilities, and this is his job basically. A DevOps engineer has a wealth of knowledge. So, like I told you, he's a jack of all trades, but he also excels at all those trades. That means that he has to be good at those technologies. So he has to have a knowledge of Linux, Windows operating systems, how to handle them, how to manage all the processes. Then he needs to know about the database technology, the server technology, how to handle servers, orchestration technology, cloud technology, source control, continuous integration and deployment, automation, scripting, networking, and definitely excellent communications. So these are the list of skills a DevOps engineer must have. He must be good at all of these things, or he must be good at giving his deliverables, making sure that there is an excellent software development pipeline in place, and the software that is being given to the end user is of excellent quality. Basically provide some value to the company, right?
So guys, that was our video on who is a DevOps engineer. Now I hope that you guys got something out of it. You understood who a DevOps engineer is, what are his responsibilities, and what are the skill sets needed for you to become a DevOps engineer. Thank you so much for watching.